$33 million judgment against the former NFL star in 1997 after he was acquitted of murder in the criminal trial surrounding their deaths. Simpson was later found guilty and jailed for a 2007 robbery. I'm Jackie Quinn.
Coming up next, traffic and weather together.
Walmart is the #1 place to save on groceries. Right now, you can save 48% on a 4-liter bottle of Sunlight laundry detergent, saving you $8.50, and on now for only $8.97. Walmart. Save money, live better. Got PC Optimum points? Claire does, and shops the bonus redemption event at Shoppers Drug Mart to get more free stuff for her points. If I redeem $50